Hi, this is Aman Kasturia. I work for Skanska as a design director, and welcome to our site called Unity Place. Unity Place came through as a tender back in 2019 to us, which we bid with our client, Zurich Insurance Limited, and we won the project and started construction back in July 2020, and we are now through final stages of the project. As you can see in the background, some of the finishes and some of the products that you'll see shortly through this interview in terms of where we have produced these sort of quality product for our client Zurich. And in terms of the Unity Place project itself, it's a headquarters for Zurich with an aspiration to have a building design with split tenancy as well. Yes, in terms of the design, there were quite a few challenges on this project. Design to start with, client brief in terms of actually bringing that into a normal language and dissipating it to the design team to make sure that designers have understood it in terms of compliance. Challenges were from initial design level stages where the design itself was at Rebus stage 3, and we were informed to take it, or briefed rather, to take it to Rebus stage 4 and develop it through our scope and our responsibilities. So this is where we brought in Revizto to help the design development of Rebus stage 4 design. That was part of our scope. So Revizto has been implemented right from the word go on this site. So Revizto we started when we had the contract signed to start the Rebus stage 4 development. So we implemented Revizto with all our primary team consultants, and also asked some of our key subcontractors to implement the BIM model into Revizto. So utilization of Revizto was a natural choice with the complexity of the project that we had and the design that required a huge amount of coordination to start with. So the idea of Revizto was trialed on this project as the first project in Southwest. It actually helped us massively in terms of listing out all the open items list issues, all the issues that we need comparing with 2D drawings into 3D platform, all the issues that we had high level that we needed coordination with structure, because we wanted lead invoice structure to be in fabrication quite early on. So as a tool, it helped massively in engaging and keeping all the elements in one place and reviewing them in one place and making sure they all get satisfactorily closed before we actually went into the drawings mode. We actually had a very good response from client itself, client being Zurich. So there was a 360 feedback where they appreciated the model being brought into the meetings to help them understand and also help energize the discussions with a positive result to actually come to conclusion of any queries that were raised, or even if it was an area that needed discussing. Client did give us a feedback which was pretty simple as do it more. As much as models they can see, it actually helps them. So more Revizto that they can see, it was quite helpful for the team their end as well. I think the tool itself for the new starters is quite user-friendly. You know, someone who have never ever used a 3D platform can actually, if you play games, you can play Revizto.